We're tune in for this very important forecast, Mr. Franklin.
A lot going on this weekend.
Lots of pressure on you, my friend.
It's not going to be the most comfortable weekend. It's going to be warm, kind of muggy, maybe a slight drop in humidity for Saturday. And Saturday is looking to be our driest day.
Okay.
With rain.
When you're marching.
Doug is excited.
When you're
right,
marching.
When I'm marching. Sunday, different story.
It's all about you.
It is always all about me. The models, though, are in better agreement. Again, I don't control it, no matter what people think. We are starting to see a bit more and continued agreement in the models of our wettest days being tomorrow and then again on Sunday. We've also seen some showers popping up on radar late this afternoon. Decent little complex of thunderstorms right in between Lafayette and Baton Rouge over the Atchafalaya Basin. But north of the lake, we've had a few pop-up showers, maybe a brief lightning strike or two, mainly west of the Tangipahoa Hope Parish. We've had a few in St. Tammany and Washington. And then south of the lake, nothing over the metro area, had a few down the bayou and some of those kind of spread across the river parishes. So nothing much. And a lot of these showers will likely be wrapping up in the next couple of hours. But cloud cover will continue to increase throughout the night and may also be watching for some fog development. Those scattered showers again over the next couple of hours, probably about 8, 9 o'clock, any of that rainfall is gone. So pretty quiet through the night, but we'll be watching for fog to start the day tomorrow. But tomorrow morning does look dry. So the morning commute, aside from fog, doesn't look like we'll have a rain component. Then as we head toward the midday, afternoon, and through the evening, we will have pop-up scattered to numerous showers and storms and maybe a couple of rounds of some heavier downpours as well. Doesn't look like this is going to be a widespread flooding issue nor a widespread severe issue, but isolated storms may have some heavier downpours, may also have some gusty winds. Today's high 83 degrees, a very warm, humid afternoon. In fact, a degree off of the record high, which was set back. It's held since 1955, and our morning low was a full 10 degrees above our normal. Right now, we've steadily seen the increase in cloud cover, and it definitely had a muggier feel to the air, dew points in the lower 70s. That's where we'll stay tomorrow with maybe a slight drop as our front starts moving into the area by Saturday. We'll talk more about the weekend in just a moment. 70s, low 80s on the map right now, and dew points high. So it is going to be a warm, muggy evening. Again, our rainfall will be coming to an end, and then eventually the humidity will drop, but it's going to stay on the higher side through the weekend. Again, even with a slight drop in the humidity for Saturday, it's not going to be anything dramatic. More of a dramatic fall in both humidity and temperatures by early next week. Here's what's going on in the upper atmosphere right now. Got a couple of features. One, this deep upper level trough and kind of almost a closed low near southern Nevada. That is kind of buckled the atmosphere and is sending in this surge of moisture within this southwesterly flow. The upper disturbance and the moisture, the instability, is helping to trigger some severe storms right now across parts of the plains and Midwest. This is also associated with our cold front. Now, the dynamics, the ingredients necessary for severe weather, all there to our north, and we've had a number of severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings issued within this cell or kind of complex of storms. As they move south, they will be weakening because the main energy of this front is staying well to the north. And really, the front is going to kind of slowly move in again. There's that better rain chance during the day on Friday, and then the front kind of stalls over us on Saturday. Now, normally that would act as a focus for more rainfall, but it doesn't look like we're going to have the upper support for much rain during the day Saturday. I wouldn't say it's going to be completely dry, but an isolated shower or two, about all we're expecting during the day Saturday. Then that front gets more active with another upper disturbance and finally kind of the push we need to get the front south of us. This is noon on Sunday, kind of a wet, stormy second half of the weekend, and the Euro is kind of in agreement. Here's kind of an isolated look at just Sunday along that frontal boundary. It will definitely be a wetter day. So second half of the weekend, unfortunately, is looking much wetter. As far as the severe threat goes with the front itself, a greater risk, a level 3 to our north, but as that front slides south, this is our severe risk for tomorrow. Low end threat mainly on the north shore. Flooding threat also on the low end and primarily tomorrow and again on Sunday. After Sunday, we will see a big drop in our temperatures and humidity. Highs will stay in the 60s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And a couple of mornings, we're looking at 30s on the north shore.